Hi, this is Dr. Edward Conrad, and you have a few short days to register for our Vision Event 2022, which is coming up this Saturday. But if you're seeing this recording late, don't despair. You can still register. Everything is being recorded, but we want you to join us for this special event. I like what Mark Twain said. Many horrible things have happened to me throughout my life, and actually a few of these actually have come true. And this is the theme of our conference. We're looking for solutions, not problems. Those of you that are suffering with eye disease and are afraid of losing your vision and you're dwelling on the problems that you're having, well, we're going to be sharing with you solutions for your eye problems. So please join me for this special event. Go to visionevent2022.com to register, and I look forward to seeing you at the event.